Here's a GRE data analysis question. Let's take a look. So I solved this question in a previous video, but I solved it using what I called a common sense approach. And in the comments, some people said, well, can you solve this using the formula just to see how that's done? And here we go. Let's take a look at it the formulaic way. So I'll run through the problem again very quickly. There are 17 different VHS tapes available for purchase at a garage sale. How many combinations of 16 tapes can be purchased? The formula for combinations, counting combinations, is as follows. And it looks a little scary at first, but we'll get through it. NCR equals n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. Okay, well, a lot going on here. So let me just run through what these mean. This is the way to calculate how many combinations I can make if I have n items to choose from and I want to choose r of them. So in this case, how many items do I have to choose from? I have 17. There are 17 options on the table. So it's going to be 17, choose, how many do I want to choose in each group? Well, 16. So it's going to be 17, choose 16. And what that equals is going to be, I'll fill in the spots here, n factorial, so 17 factorial, big number, divided by 16 factorial, also big number, times 17 minus 16 is 1 factorial, or 1. Now, before I actually write this all out, 17 times 16 times 15 times 14, and on and on and on, let's think about this, right? If this is 17 times 16 times 15 times 14 all the way down to 1, and this is 16 times 15 times 14 all the way down to 1, everything down here is going to cancel with everything on the top except for that 17, right? So if I have 17 times 16 times 15 dot 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 over 16 times 15 times 14 dot dot dot, well then everything cancels out and I'm left with 17 over 1 factorial, which is just 1. So 17 divided by 1 gives me 17. Correct answer here is C. For more GRE tips and tricks or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.